This video/stream is sponsored by The Marketplace, powered by Trader Central. Recently launched, The Marketplace is a town square for traders to make a living out of the ecosystem. Currently, Havana is accessible, a digital playground where you play to earn tokens, which can be used for discounts on your funding plan or purchase perks to fast-track your challenge. Go to the link in the description and access The Marketplace.
Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll do the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame and share you the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. First, let us look at the economical events calendar planned for today. Today is Tuesday, August 2nd. At 10 a.m. we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 7:30 p.m. we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise we have only low impact news planned for major currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. So we already know from the past analysis that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend and it has taken support on the support level of 1680, which is a very strong support level, and it is on a retracement for now. We also know that this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern had acted as a very strong resistance in the past, and currently we are noticing the price action to test this resistance line. So based on the past price action, we can expect the price action to bounce back from this resistance line on a bearish trend reversal. We also have a very strong resistance level over here, which is around 1773. When we look at the past price action, we have noticed the price action to take support from this support level of 1773. So this support level will be acting as a resistance level when the price action tries to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. So currently the price action is testing the bearish channel pattern resistance line and also the previous resistance level from the daily time frame. The confirmation on the bearish trend reversal will come from the lower time frame. So wait for the price action to give a bearish trend reversal in the lower time frame for the bearish trend reversal confirmation. Still in daily time frame, we don't have the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal. If the price action breaks this resistance level of 1773, next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1800. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1745, next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1712. And the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bullish side retracement. But overall trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. For hourly time frame, I am drawing a bullish channel pattern. Based on this bullish channel pattern, the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bullish trend. I am drawing one more trend line within this bullish channel pattern. You can clearly notice that the current price action is in a very strong bullish trend. Here we have the daily time frame resistance line over here. So if the price action needs to continue on a bullish side trend, it has to break this resistance line, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1800, which is also a very strong resistance level from the daily time frame. So wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. But the bearish side trend reversal will happen only when it breaks the higher time frame support level of 1745. As long as the price action is trading between this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, so I would recommend you to take trades based on the current trend. Don't take trades against the trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame also, it is in a very strong bullish trend, and currently it is taking support on the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. So we have very strong resistance levels over here from the daily time frame. So we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish side and to bounce back from this resistance level. So wait for the price action to bounce back and also break this support line or the trend line in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame, you can take trades on the bullish side in 30 minutes time frame also. Because looking at the current trend, it is in a very strong bullish trend for now in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. The confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal will come only when the price action breaks the support level of 1746 in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I'm again drawing a channel pattern for 5 minutes time frame. So based on this channel pattern, we can clearly notice that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bullish trend and it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. It has also broken the very strong resistance level of 1775, which shows the bullishness is very strong in 5 minutes time frame also. Only when the price action breaks this blue color support line from the hourly time frame, it will be a bearish trend reversal in 5 minutes time frame also. So wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line from the hourly time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side. But again, it will be trading against the trend of the price action. Always trade with the stop loss if you are trading against the trend or along with the trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is testing the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame. If the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance line is going to be the bullish channel pattern resistance line from the hourly time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.